Dubrovnik, and after exploring the city walls yesterday, today we have come out to explore the old town of Dubrovnik, and right now we are standing here at the fort-like area of the old town, and because it's so sunny right now, the views are splendid from here. This pier that you see behind me was another shooting location of Game of Thrones. So all the walking Game of Thrones tour, they will bring you to this point as well. And it's a very nice picturesque spot over here. So now we are going to begin the walking tour of the old town of Dubrovnik. It's the heart and soul of the city. So you have to make it a point to spend some time exploring the beautiful architecture and the various places of interest that you'll find here. So we are going to enter through one of the gates, which is known as the Pillay Gate, which is the main gate, which is also where all the buses and all the public transportation drops you. So we are going to start our exploration by entering into the Pillay Gate. The very first thing that you will see after entering the Pillay Gate is this fountain. It's called the Big Onfario's fountain, and it has 16 spouts from which you can fill fresh water. And this was named after the designer who built it, and it used to channel fresh water from the Dubrovnik river and provide it to all the locals of the old town. Behind me is the entrance to the Franciscan monastery, and it has the world's third oldest still working pharmacy. So it's right opposite to the fountain that I showed you, and you just need to walk this lane and you'll reach the third oldest pharmacy in the world. We are walking on a street called Stradun. It's apparently the busiest street in Dubrovnik, and I can actually see why it's called busy, because there are so many people around here. It actually looks like an old age shopping mall because there are small shops, cafes all around the street. So this is the main street of the old town that connects the Pillay Gate on one side to the bell tower on the opposite side where we are going right now. This behind me is the bell tower or the clock tower of Dubrovnik, and it actually has two bronze statues at the top, and they have names. The locals have named them as Maro and Baro, and they ring the bell every day at noon here. So that's the clock tower, and right opposite to me is the fountain. So we walked through the Stradun and came to the clock tower of the old town. this is the statue of a famous Croatian poet, and if you touch his nose or rub his knees, then you'll supposedly get good luck in your life. We have come to probably the most famous location of the Game of Thrones series here at the Old Town. So this is the famous Walk of Shame stairs where Cersei Lannister walked down and did her Walk of Shame down these stairs. So the actual name of this staircase is Jesuit Staircase. Again, not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's a very, very famous location over here, and there are a lot of people here trying to take pictures along these beautiful staircase. So now we are going to this very famous place called the Buza Bar in the Old Town, and there is a secret passageway that is located through which you can enter the Buza Bar, and it supposedly has very amazing views of the Lokrum Island and the Adriatic Sea. So we are going to go and find our way to the Buza Bar.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself, and I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la la la.
each and every point in this city. So the name of this fort, it's called Lovrijenac Fort, and I obviously have to mention the speciality of this place with reference to Game of Thrones. So this was the Red Keep in GOT, and this is where the Iron Throne was kept. And obviously, if you come to this, the top of this fort, you get an amazing and a panoramic view of the old town, and it's almost time for sunset, like in half an hour or 45 minutes, and we should be able to catch a beautiful sunset from here. So now the ticket to this fort is included with your ticket to the old city walls. So in case if you have that ticket, then keep it handy so that you can show it here and get an access to the fort. Here we are sitting very close to the Dubrovnik Port, and we have ordered ourselves some risotto and also a chicken pizza. We just finished a tour of the old town as well as the Lovrijenac Fort upstairs, from where we got a panoramic view of the old town and also the Adriatic Sea and obviously the Lovrijenac Island. Now when you're coming to Croatia, make sure you have cash with you, because there are a few places here which do not accept credit cards or cards of any sort. They only accept kuna. This is obviously as of September of 2022. From next year it's going to be euros, so you'll have to carry euros with you if you're coming from 2023 onwards. So for example, we went to this very nice and popular Buza Bar where they only accept kuna cash, and also at these small little cafes they only take cash. And one thing to note is, when you're coming to Dubrovnik and also basically any part of Croatia, make sure you have gelatos every time, because the gelatos here are absolutely delicious. We are almost done with our sightseeing tour of Dubrovnik. In the next vlog, we are going to take you to a new country. So stay tuned for that, and till then enjoy this beautiful view of Lovrijenac Island and the old town of Dubrovnik.